Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. I know I've been missing in action. You guys miss me. I haven't made a video in over a month. I have an excuse for that. The reason why I wasn't making any videos is that I was doing an autism training course, so that had me a little busy. And you know life, how you get busy with life. Anyway, I'm back, and today is my birthday, so I gotta come back for you guys for my birthday. So today's my birthday, so you guys can leave a comment down below wishing me happy birthday. I have so much videos to give you guys, and first of all, I would like to thank you guys. Thank you so much for 600 and I think like 30 subscribers. Yeah, 630 subscribers. The last time I made a video I had about 390 something subscribers, and to see that I have 630 now, oh my god, that's so unbelievable. Thank you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. Well, I have a lot of videos to upload for you guys to make up for that lost times, and thank you guys so much for sticking with me. Also, last month we had the Guyana Carnival here, and I video a lot of, I went to a couple of the events and I video some of the shows. So I don't really want to put it on this channel, so I want you guys to go and subscribe to Natural Afton, NATURALAFTON. Subscribe to my other channel, and I'll put everything about the carnival on that channel. And also, like, if I go to any event or anything, I'll upload and show you guys what life is like in Guyana. So go and subscribe to Natural Afton. That's the only wish I ask for you guys, to subscribe to Natural Afton and subscribe to Cooking with Afton. And also you can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and I also have a Facebook page, Cooking with Afton. Alright, thank you so much. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make Guyanese pot bake. There's two ways you can make your pot bake. You can make it on top of the stove, or you can make it in your oven. I make my pot bake in the oven. So you guys should check the description box. I'll have all the measurements and the ingredients there for you guys. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Because today is my birthday, I'm going to give you guys 2 videos. So when you don't watch this video, look out for another video as well. Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks everyone who has been subscribing and supporting me. Alright, thank you so much. Here's my ingredients. Hi guys, this is my ingredients for my Guyanese pot bake. First we have some flour there, some lukewarm water, some butter, brown sugar, yeast, grated nutmeg, and some salt. So first thing we're gonna do is put everything in our container here. Okay guys, so first thing we're gonna do is put in our flour. Check in the description box down below. This is 2 cups of flour, but you just check in the description box down below. It have all the measurements there. So I put in my flour. I'm going to put in my yeast, my grated nutmeg, my salt, my sugar, and just mix it up so everything can come back together. And then we're going to put in our butter. And then you're going to use your hands, and you're going to just mix it up like this. So I already mixed up the butter into it, and this is how it's looking here. So I'm going to put in my water now. And just stir it up like this. To form a dough. Just stir a little bit more. mix it up like this. And you form your dough. Okay, so when you done knead it for about 5 minutes, this is how it's looking. You can take a cling wrap or a towel and cover it. I was looking for my plastic wrap just now, but I don't know where it is. So I'm just gonna use this towel here and just cover it down for about 4 to 5 minutes to an hour, and we'll be back. Okay guys, so it's been an hour and the dough has doubled in size. So what I'm gonna do now is to just put some flour on my countertop like this. Put some on my hands. Take out my dough. And I'm going to roll it out. I'll leave it this size. I was going to double it. I was going to ting it in two, but I'm going to leave it this size. What you're going to do, take some flour and put on your rolling pin like this. And you're going to roll it out like this. Okay, so I finished rolling out my pot bake. So what I'm gonna do is take a fork and just put some holes like this in it, just like that. And then we're gonna, this is my baking pan here, put it in my baking pan like this and let it bake for about 30 minutes. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so I just took my pot bake out of the oven. So what you're gonna do now is take a brush and put some butter on top of it, but I can't find my brush. I don't know where it is, so I'm just gonna use a tissue and just put the butter on top of it like this. Make sure the butter go all over, okay? Just like this. Yummy. Looks really good. Okay, so I just put my butter on it. So what I'm going to do now is cut it open. Ooh, yummy. Look at the inside stay. And you're just going to cut it in pieces. Just like this. You can eat this with some, you can cut it and put some butter, or you could put some cheese, but today I'm going to put some cheese spread I make, so I'm going to put some cheese spread in my own. Okay, I cut up my bake, so what I'm going to do now is take a knife and just cut it open in half like this, and then I'm going to put my cheese spread. Ooh, I'm going to put my cheese spread inside of it. Okay, I put my cheese spread inside. I put on both sides, the top and the bottom. You see, you can already see that the cheese is melted. Oh my god, it's going to be so delicious. I can't show myself on camera eating this because I have a towel. Anyway, you can see how much the cheese is already melting there. So let me taste it. Oh my god. This pot bake tastes so good. Oh my, yummy. And it's soft and nice. The cheese spread is melting. You guys try this recipe. You wouldn't regret it at all. Yummy. It tastes so good. Okay, guys. I can't even talk. This bake is so good. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel. Oh, one of my subscribers asked me to make this Guyanese pot bake, and his name is Paul Williams. Yeah. So this video is for my subscriber Paul Williams, because he asked me to make this Guyanese pot bake. So here is your pot bake, Paul, and I hope you try it and take up pictures and let me know how your bake came out. Alright? So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give my video a thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton. And also I just signed up on a Facebook page. So follow me on Facebook as well, Cooking with Afton, and like my page as well. Alright? So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye. Stay blessed, guys.